One of the services that we offer our clients and patients is testing their running shoes for the amount of wear. Um, a lot of running clinics will say that, oh, your running shoe is going to be worn after 500 miles. And we utilize a more evidence based way of determining whether a shoe is worn to a specific level or not. We utilize structural parameter testing, and we utilize this machine here that is designed to measure midfoot stability, rear foot stability, um, loaded heel to toe drop, energy return, and cushioning. So when a customer comes in to our store wanting to get their shoe tested for the amount of wear um, uh, that has occurred, what we basically do is we use our mathematical model. So we take the shoe when it was first bought or purchased, and we put all the data on the left side of the mathematical model. Here we have midfoot stability, which is at 50 inch-pounds. We have hindfoot stability, which is a vertical compression index of 6 millimeters. We have the rebound index. We have the vertical support, and we have the shoe stability index. On the other side is where we test the shoe, and usually we like to test the shoe at around 75 degrees, maybe 80 degrees. And what we do is we test it for all those parameters. So as you can see, um, the midfoot stability dropped by 16%. The hindfoot stability dropped by 33%, and the vertical support by 66.67%. The overall shoe stability dropped by 31.11%. So this shoe dropped from a shoe stability index of 60, putting it in the moderate stability category, down to 41.33, placing it in the neutral stability category. So, with the drop in that amount, we would recommend that the shoe be replaced. Um, Throughout our testing for our customers, it really depends on the stature of the individual, the amount of pronation or supination they have, um, and not by the mileage. That is just not a very valid way of testing shoes. Um, we have a shoe testing station right in our clinic where we can test the shoes right on site and give this information to our customers.